I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you more on our Revit live training. Once in a while, we normally have live training on Google Meet, and what we discuss is all about Revit architecture. And during that meeting, you have opportunity to ask me some questions that are bothering you on how to use Revit. I'm going to be showing you how you can connect with the class. All you need to do is to install an app called Google Meet. I'm going to send the link to our group so that you can download it in case you don't know the app that is it. You simply tap on that link and you'll be able to install it. Then when you have installed it on your Android phone, when it is time for the meeting, all you need to do is to go to our WhatsApp group and click on that link to the meeting. You don't need to enter any password, you don't need to enter any code. The only thing you need to do is to tap on that link and it will take you to the meeting immediately. But make sure that it is time for the meeting before you click on the link, because if you click on it when the meeting has not started, you will not see anybody. All right, I hope that is taken. Now let me show you how you can join the meeting using your Android phone. First, you need to install this app called Google Meet. This is the app here. Install it on your phone. I will send you the link on WhatsApp. When you have installed the app, when it is time for the meeting, you go to your WhatsApp. When you go to your WhatsApp, you will see the link I sent to our WhatsApp group. Simply tap on it. For instance, this is the link. You are going to tap on this link here. It will take you to the meeting immediately. This is it.